recovery or the challenges of the Indian economy. Mr. Gautam Bali, over to you.
Thank you so much, Nagma. And at the outset, it's a privilege for me to speak 15th annual general meeting of PHT Chamber of Commerce and Industry. I'm thankful to the Chamber for inviting me to share my thoughts. I believe everybody has definitely all the figures, the statistics on how exactly our country or our economy has performed during the pandemic. I must take a point out of Journal VK Singh's presentation in which he talked about Japan. And that's my view also. India as a country, for us to be Atmanirbhar and for the economy to come out of this kind of a shock which the pandemic has brought in not only into India, and it is there in the world economy. For all of us to come out, and what we have learned and we have adapted during the pandemic to come out to be a stronger company, is what we have done is we have reinvented ourselves, right? That's what the Japanese did in the late 40s when they reinvented themselves. That's what China did, right, to reinvent and to become a global sourcing hub. Not to take much of your time, because I already realize we have the paucity of time over here. I would like to talk about direct selling industry, to which I represent. India's direct selling industry, which provides livelihood opportunities to approximately 6 million people, is reinventing itself to deal with the adverse impact of COVID-19 pandemic. Amid the rising unemployment and layoffs during the pandemic, the direct selling industry has become the savior for the youth in the country. Many unemployed people under the age of 35 are opening up to direct selling because traditional employment landscape is witnessing disruption. Direct selling offers opportunity to work from the safety and convenience of home. The entire business can be done online with flexible hours, right? Direct selling has become a good source of income for families during the pandemic. In direct selling, products are sold through relationship selling, and the mode of business has gone from physical to telephonic and digital based upon selling owing to pandemic and social distancing norms. I would just like to mention over here, this is a business which was done not only in India, but all across the world for last more than 65 years. And it was only a business which was based upon one-to-one contact. When we are talking about pandemic, the thing which I talked about reinventing ourselves, that's what people have done, have taken to social media, have adapted to technology to reinvent the entire modus operandi of doing business. And I know we are really, really short on time. And the last I would like to say that I'm sure that the initiatives of PHT Chamber of Commerce and Industry during this uncertain times will create awareness amongst our policymakers to come out with initiative which will create growth and momentum in our economy. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Bali, for really being very punctual about the timings. And I would like to especially thank you for that. And before moving on to the next session, which is very, very special